Fondant potatoes are an elegant side dish. You can pair this with other elegant dishes. You need 2 to 3 large russet potatoes, peeled, washed, and dried. Also, you need a small cylinder cookie cutter. Cut the end off. Put the smooth side of the cookie cutter hanging over the flat side we have just cut off. And put the sharp end on the body of the potato. Measure roughly. Mark with the cookie cutter. With a knife, cut vertically. Do it again. Cut the potato a little less than the length of the cookie cutter because that will be easier to push out the potato later. When the potato is wobbly, flip on the more stable side or cut the bottom a little to be flat so that the potato doesn't move. But don't cut too much. We need to cut out as many cylinders as possible. Try to cut straight down. That will ensure your fondant potatoes consistent, uniform look. Push down the cookie cutter with your palm. Push out the potato with your 2 thumbs. Repeat again. The cookie cutter is very sharp. Grab the edge of the potato with your 4 fingers and push out the cylinder with your 2 thumbs. Let's clean up the excess. Push through the cookie cutter one more time and take off the excess. The cleaner cylinder you cut out, the more elegant your fondant potatoes will look. As you can see, I cut too thick, so I'm going to pull out the cookie cutter. I'm telling you, this is so much harder to pull out the cookie cutter than push in. This is why we need to cut the potato a little shorter than the cookie cutter so that we don't have to do this. Cut a little so that the cookie cutter can go through easily. Now don't throw away all these leftover potatoes. Put them in a bowl with water so that potatoes will not change color. Keep them in the fridge. You can use them for mashed potato or fried rice later. Once you're done, bring another bowl with water in it. We need to wash the potato cylinders to get rid of the starch. Otherwise, the starch will drip over when we cook. Then we won't have nice clean looking fondant potatoes. With a kitchen towel, dry them completely because we are going to pan fry them. On medium-low heat, drizzle oil and put the flat side down carefully. Season with salt. If you have white pepper, use it. Do you see the bottom? The color becomes translucent. Flip them. Don't worry about cooking all the way because we are going to finish cooking in the oven. Don't burn the potatoes. Put some butter and thyme. Once the butter is melted, pour chicken stock very carefully. Pour enough to cover the uncooked part of the potatoes. Now this is going into the heated oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. When they come out, the top of the potatoes should be light brown. Cool it down about 5 minutes and serve.